Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 308 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Hempz Lips Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. And I got this in an Ulta sample bag recently. And gosh, I cannot wait to apply this right now. My lips are so dry, like they are all the time, every day, constantly. So it's such a struggle finding great products that will moisturize my lips. And this claims to be able to do it, so we're gonna find out. This retails for $8.99. We have the angled squeezy tube, so easy to apply. Oh my gosh. This smells really nice. It smells so tropical. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Okay, there we go. So quick and easy to apply. I definitely don't even need a mirror to apply this because it comes out completely clear. And oh my gosh, this feels so nice on my lips. It does feel like a thicker lip gloss. It claims to be a lip balm, but in my opinion, this is a lip gloss because it does have that nice shine, glossiness to it as well. And this really is doing its job. My lips now look so smooth. They feel so hydrated and comfortable. Like there is absolutely no chappedness to my lips anymore. My lips look so perfectly hydrated. I had a feeling this would be a very quick, successful makeup review. And good thing because my camera is about to die. It's on very low battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up because all in all, this is a great lip gloss, lip balm. It just feels so nice. It's immediately moisturizing to my super dry lips. It looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do a wear test on this. I'll wear it throughout the day. I'm going to be eating, drinking, and I'll let you know how this wears. Like, do I have to constantly reapply it? Does it keep my lips really hydrated? Even after it wears away, are my lips more hydrated? So check out the description box down below to find out all of that information. But I am very happy to have this for this winter season. This is going to come in handy a lot, and I know I'm going to be putting this to great use and probably wearing it almost every single day. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.